So hey guys, welcome to this HTML session. So in the last lecture, we had seen working with HTML heading tag. I had copied the Visual Studio Code content here. So at last, I will be providing this notes PDF, so you can download it from there and read it, or you can do anything. Fine. So moving on, we will be seeing this lecture paragraph tags, and if possible we will seeing link tags. Okay, so paragraph tags dot html. Okay, this paragraph tag dot html. So initially we will be we will be declaring doc type declaration. Okay, doc type html. After that html. After that head section. After that title. In the title it will be paragraph. Okay, in the after that paragraph we will be creating one body section. Okay, inside the body section we will be creating paragraph tag. In this paragraph tag, like I had told you earlier, that paragraph tags are used to represent mm, used to display large volume of content. Okay, large volume of content. So I will be copying what this lorem ipsum. This lorem ipsum is what? A site for dummy text. Okay, so I will be copying this is what? Copy, and here I will be pasting this. Alt Z for in C. If you press as like Alt Z, it will be in the sequence order, like it will be beautify the content. Fine. Here CTRL-S for saving, and copy path. And if we see like how our site look like this is how it look like here is the title paragraph. Fine. Anything else we have added? Not we have not added anything. Like is HTML is simply dummy text etc वगैरह 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 is the content which we have copied earlier. Okay, like if you want to add something else inside the body section, if you want to give one heading, working with paragraph tags. Fine. Saving, like this is the symbol that the your program is not saved. CTRL-S to save your program here, and copy path, like, and here we will be pasting like working with a paragraph tags. This is h1, and here the content. Fine. Are you getting or not? Fine. So moving on, we will be creating, we will be seeing what? Link tags. Okay, link tags dot html. Okay, so first doc type declaration, after that html. Sorry, after that head section. Okay, inside the head section we will be discovering what? Title. Title is what? Links. Okay, fine. Then creating one body. In the body h1, what we have tried? Example with links. Okay, fine. Now how we can write, write something in link. So I will be explaining again, like in notepad once again. Like if you want to add link, simply open the angular brace, write a href equal to, in this you can give, like if you want to add Google link, so https, okay, //www dot google.com. Okay, close this. This is what? This whole thing inside the double quote is URL of it, URL, okay, of Google. URL of Google. Fine, are you getting or not? Like after that you have to close the angular brace. Like this is what Google, so link text, Google. Okay, after that what, closing this a tag. Okay, this whole thing is what, opening and closing. Okay, I'm copying this and pasting it here. You can see this is what URL, this whole thing is what URL, okay, of Google. Now I have to save this ctrls, save, copy path. Now we will be seeing how our program will look like. You can see here we are getting a link of Google. If you click it here, we will be simply proceed to what, Google. Fine, are you getting or not? Fine. So this is what, working with link tags. Now here see one thing, copy path, moving this. If you click on Google, in the same tab you are moved to what, Google. Like if you want to display it on another tab, so what you will be writing, is hey href, ahref equals to same thing. After this you will be writing target. Fine, target equal to double quote underscore what, underscore what I had told you earlier. Like see here, underscore blank, it will be displayed, it will be used to display in a new tab. Okay, new tab. Here in Visual Studio Code underscore BLA, sorry, BLANK. Okay, fine, saving this application, CTRLS, saving this application, copying path here, BLANK. Okay, saving this application, copy path, and moving here. You can see Google. Now if you are clicking on Google, you are redirected to a new tab. Initially if you were clicking on Google, it was opening here only, in this tab only. Now if you click on Google, here it is opening on another tab. So this is the UDOP underscore blank, that it will move you to a new tab. Okay, fine.